doubt. Doubt is a word we use for expressing confidence or no confidence. In this video, I'll explain how to use the word doubt. The word doubt is one syllable. The B is silent. This word rhymes with out. Doubt, out. Use doubt when you are not sure or not certain about something, when you aren't confident, or when you are not optimistic about a situation. You have doubt, or you have doubts. In this sentence, doubt is a noun. I have some doubt. You could also use a plural. I have some doubts. This word can be used as a count noun or as a non-count noun. You can also use it as a verb. It's an easy word to use as a verb. I doubt it. Here's the subject and here's the verb. I doubt it. You can also make this negative for the opposite meaning and say, I don't doubt it. This means that you are sure of something or you are confident in something. I have some doubts. I don't have any, and then you can use this word, doubts. I don't have any doubts. This means that you are confident or optimistic about something if you don't have any doubt or doubts. There's no doubt in my mind. This means that I'm confident or optimistic about a situation. Here's the word doubt as a noun. I have some doubt, or you could say I have some doubts. As a verb, I doubt it. Here's the subject, here's the verb, and it's often followed by an object if you use this as a verb. And in this sentence, here's the adjective form, I am doubtful. Here's the FUL suffix that makes the adjective. I am doubtful, or I'm doubtful. Altogether, these three sentences have very similar meanings. I have some doubts. I doubt it. I am doubtful. We use doubt for ability, quality, performance, and for the future when you're not sure about something. You'll often hear people use doubt as a noun, and in these examples, you'll hear people use every single one of these words in the sentence. For example, I have some serious doubts about this. Or, this raises some serious doubts. Notice the adjective serious is used before doubts. This puts everything in doubt. The preposition in is often used with doubt. It was never in doubt. Notice the negative means that the situation was not questioned, and this indicates some level of certainty. Here are some examples of doubt as a verb. I don't doubt it, or I doubt it. This is often used to indicate a person's level of confidence or optimism or certainty about a situation. I don't doubt it. I doubt it. No one doubted him. This means that everyone believed in him. Notice that this is in the past tense. Doubted. She always doubts herself. Reflexive pronouns are often used with the word doubt. This pronoun goes back to the subject. And then don't doubt yourself. If you have any lack of confidence in something that you're doing, such as learning English, don't doubt yourself. The word doubt is often used in the affirmative and in the negative. These two sentences have opposite meanings. I doubt he'll be here. This means I don't expect that he will be here. I don't doubt he'll be here. This means that I have full confidence that he will be here. This is a very popular word to use when talking about confidence. Whether you have confidence or you don't, this is a good choice. He doubts himself. This reflexive pronoun goes back to the subject. She doubts herself. Again, this goes back to the subject. And if the subject is I doubt myself. You could make the opposite meaning by adding a negative right here. He doesn't doubt himself. She doesn't doubt herself. I don't doubt myself. You'll often hear sentences begin with this prepositional phrase, without a doubt, meaning that there's no doubt. Without a doubt, this will be, and then you can put anything here. This will be good, or this will be terrible, or this will be exciting. This is some kind of a prediction about the future. When a person has to be absolutely certain about something, there can be no doubt, or there can be no doubt about it, and then some statement following it. This is a good idea. There can be no doubt about it. This is a good idea. Or anything else that you want to express about a situation, about it. Do you have any doubt about your English? Or do you have any doubts when you speak English? I often get comments or emails from students regarding their doubts about their English. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.